Best intake valve cleaner, CRC or Seafoam versus a direct injection engine or GDI. Now you know, if you've seen the video, we have some of the worst carbon buildup you've ever seen on intake valves on this 2014 Hyundai Elantra GT. However, I've had a lot of questions and a lot of people have wanted to know about a follow-up. Now, you can see I've used this same vehicle in many other tests and the vehicle works perfectly fine. There was no damage to the catalytic converter. A lot of people have asked about that. Now, just follow the manufacturer's instructions. And does it work for turbos? Absolutely. As a matter of fact, that's why it's called CRC Intake Valve and Turbo Cleaner. This helps out to clean the impellers on the turbo, among many other things, such as the wastegates. How about the Seafoam? Is it better than the CRC? Well, not for this in particular job, because the CRC has what's known as PEA, and it's the best known cleaner for carbon buildup. Now, for some of these other cleaners, such as Liqui moly, gum out, regain, I've used those as well. I've used every single cleaner that you probably ever heard of for intake valves to find out which is best. Now, I've had a lot of luck with a few, like CRC, Liqui moly, not so much the amsoil power foam, but you guys check that out for yourself. I don't want to give my opinion when I can just show you the results on that one now. However, how does this problem occur? The carbon buildup on the intake valves, can it even be prevented? And a lot of people say, oh, just walnut blast, you're wasting your time, Well, I want to know if these cleaners work, because I want to help others out. We don't want to be using this snake oil if it doesn't work. Now, as for the walnut blasting, a lot of people don't really want to get into all that. They don't want to take their intake manifolds off and do all the other work, and it has to be done precisely correct, or you can cause a lot of damage. Now, yes, it is a really good method, but that doesn't mean that these other methods aren't important to use if they actually work. And we've proven, yes, some of them actually work. Now, anyone would tell you preventative maintenance is the best route, bar none, because you don't want to be pulling the intake manifold or paying someone else to do it, which is even worse. Now, that's why I recommend using these products every 10,000 miles if one of them works for you. And you can refer back to the videos on how to use them and detailed instructions referring to the manufacturers. The blowby, well, use an oil catch can. This won't completely get rid of your problem, but it will make a significant difference, really it will. So just make sure you install a good quality oil catch can. And I've also installed a filter on the breather side of the PCV system, which I have a video on this as well, covering all of these topics, so you can see in-depth descriptions of how it all works, detailed. As always guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.